Hi, I'm Kenneth with the Woodwork King. Is your kitchen old and gross and need of an update? If you like your kitchen layout, we can help with that. We can refinish your kitchen, give you the color that you want at a fraction of the cost of remodeling. So let me show you what we can do for you. Here's a kitchen we just refinished this week. Let me show you the process. We come in and we take off all your doors and your door fronts, take them back to the shop. Then we come in and mask everything off. And the beauty of this is you can leave everything in your cupboards, in your drawers. You're not going to have to take anything out and box it up like you're moving. Really convenient where you can just leave it all in. Then we come in and we degrease all your cabinets, degrease your cabinet boxes, any of those old stains or old watermarks and all that. We get rid of all that. Then we sand, degloss, and then put our color coat on. And we have multiple colors that you can choose from. Then we come in and do our clear coat. And you can feel this as you get your doors back. You can feel how smooth this finish is. And why it's so smooth, it's a high quality lacquer that is so durable. It withstands water, it withstands stains, and it is just a really solid finish that goes on smooth and is going to last you 10 to 15 years. Versus latex paint. Paint's cheaper, but a latex paint doesn't go over wood very well. So it's going to chip, it's going to peel, you're going to have cracks, you're going to have water damage. It's not going to last you more than a couple years. So for a fraction of the cost of a new kitchen, we can give you a new look, updated look, and the beauty of it is we're in and out in 5 days or less. Give us a call.